All right, awesome. I have to fix the hair for this one. Okay, so the next pose is Setu Bandhasana.
Fucking ridiculous.
Le bridge. So yeah, this pose is meant to strengthen your head and your neck in order to hold a headstand for a long time. So it's also, all of your body weight is on, or most of your body weight is on your head and your neck. So just be careful with it. Err on the side of caution. If you are teachers, I never teach the student. I always tell students, like, please don't do this pose if you're new to Ashtanga. It can wait. I'd only teach it if people were comfortable doing the start of the series, okay? So I'll show you, and then we can talk about it. So jump through, lay down. All right, so an important thing about this pose is not to have your heels like next to your hips here. You want to really separate them. The feet splay open, kind of like Charlie Chaplin. You guys know who that is? You're too young. Charlie Chaplin feet. Knees out to the sides. We're gonna come up onto the forearms like you would do in Matsyasana, okay? So you're gonna have to like readjust here a little bit. So I'd readjust my hips maybe a few times, maybe even pull my head in closer so I'm at the crown of the head here. Cross the arms, and then you push the feet into the mat. Inhale, lift up. Looking at the third eye. Straightening the legs, 5 breaths here. And then exhale, coming down. From here, what do we do? Chakrasana. Ooh. Yes. Okay, so adjustments on this, I normally kind of just let people figure this out on their own because I wouldn't necessarily want to lift anyone up into it, but I could.
I am interjecting.
Do you want to try it?
No. I am interjecting. Err on the side of caution. Do not touch people in this pose, especially if you're American. It's a lawsuit waiting to happen. Mm-hmm. Don't touch people. Okay. Yeah, thanks. Great.
I was going to say I just let people figure it out on their own, so same. Yeah, does anyone want to try it? Me. Yeah, so lay down first. So you'd lay down first with straight legs. Now you go into the pose. Yes, good. Okay, so come up onto your forearms. Top of the head down. Good. Yep. Yeah. Cross your arms. Lift up. Good. Very good. Yeah, come down a little bit. So you maybe came up a little bit too much on your head. You could probably do less because you're going to roll up onto the crown of the head. Maybe you can separate them a little bit more so that you can straighten the legs. Yeah, so it's not exactly like a, I don't know. It's not exactly a square. It's a little bit like more like a diamond.
Is this good?
Yeah, looks good to me. Really nice. Yep.
There you go.
Beautiful. So he's gonna have 5 breaths here. See if you can look up toward your forehead. It's a little bit strange, but make sure you're breathing.
Is that like third eye?
The third eye, yeah. Good, and then exhale to come down. So again, that third eye drishti is very advanced. Also, if you do, when you do become advanced, you use it more in things like Purvottanasana too, what we do, that's the third eye drishti going forward, but I don't, yeah, go ahead, go for it. Yeah, go for it. I was just saying, I don't exactly always teach the third eye drishti because it's easy to get like dizzy and, you know, but that would be what you're going for here.